Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Vaibhav Roy. In this video we are going to study about conductance. Okay, what is a conductance? Before going to know about conductance, we need to learn about conductors. As we all know, all the matter in the universe is electrical in nature because an atom which consists of the positively charged nucleus and surrounded by an electronic cloud which is negatively charged. So an atom itself consists of the positive and negative charges. So every matter is made up of the atoms. So we can say that a matter is electrical in nature. Now let's learn about conductors. The substance of the universe can fall into 4 different categories depending upon the energy of flow of electrons. They are electrical conductors, insulators, semiconductors and superconductors. Now let's briefly study about electrical conductors. Any substance which allows the passage of electric current through it is called as electrical conductors. Examples of electrical conductors are metals, alloys, graphites and aqueous solutions of acids and bases. Electrical conductors are majorly divided into 2 types. They are metallic or electronic conductors and electrolytic or electrolytes. Now let's understand about the metallic conductors. The conductors in which the conductance of electricity is due to the flow of electrons are known as metallic conductors. So no chemical change occurs in these type of conductors due to the flow of electricity. Hence, that no transfer of matter is being done. In these conductors, the conductivity decreases with the increase in temperature. Examples are metals, alloys of some solid salts and oxides. Now let's briefly study about the electrolytic conductors or the electrolytes. The conductors in which the conduction of electricity is due to the migration of ions or movement of ions are called as electrolytic conductors. Chemical reactions takes place in these electrolytes due to the flow of electricity. Hence the mass of an electrolyte decreases. In these conductors, the conductivity increases with the increase in temperature. Examples of electrolytic conductors are aqueous solutions of acids and bases or salts in molten state. Electrolytes are divided into 2 types. They are strong electrolytes and weak electrolytes. What are strong electrolytes? The electrolytes in which ions ionize almost completely even at low concentration are called as strong electrolytes. And weak electrolytes. The electrolytes in which ions or molecules ionize partially even at high concentration are called as weak electrolytes. They do not undergo complete ionization. These electrolytes having low conductivity. Examples of strong electrolytes are strong acids and strong bases. Examples of weak electrolytes are weak acids and weak bases. Examples of strong electrolytes are like HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, HBr, etc. And examples of strong bases are NaOH, KOH, CaOH taken twice, MgOH taken twice, etc. And examples of weak acids are CH3COOH, CH3COOH, all organic acids, HCN, CH3CH2COOH, etc. Examples of weak bases are NH4OH, alkali amines, etc. Now let's study about the insulators. Now that we know about the electrical conductors allow the electric current to pass through them, the insulators are those substances which do not allow the electric current to pass through them. Some of the examples of the insulators are pure water, dry wood, rubber, paper and etc. The insulators do not have free electrons or free ions which can conduct electricity. That's why the insulators do not conduct electricity. They are also known as non-conductors of electricity. Now let's study about the semiconductors. The semiconductors are the substances which have the or which exhibit the properties which are intermediate between electrical conductors and the insulators. Certain elements like 4A group elements, especially silicon and germanium, possess the properties of semiconductors. The conductivity of semiconductors can be increased by doping them or addition of certain impurities called doping elements to these semiconductors. The process is called as doping. Addition of impurities like phosphorus, P, that have more valence electrons than silicon called donor impurities, which give n-type semiconductors. Similarly, acceptor impurities like boron, aluminium, that have lesser number of valence electrons produce p-type semiconductors. Let's study about the superconductors. The substances which conduct electricity with zero resistance or negligible resistance are known as superconductors. For example, lead was found to conduct electricity with zero resistance below 7.3 degree kelvins. So lead is a superconductor below 7.3 degrees kelvins. In the next video, we will be studying about specific, equivalent and molar conductances. That's it for this tutorial. For all my videos, please visit my YouTube channel, which is www.youtube.com/Vaibhav Roy. If you have any queries, comments and suggestions, please email me to vaibhavroy@engineer.com. Thank you for watching.